Hi, Brooklyn. Hello. Go ahead, show them how you roll over. Good girl. Good job, baby. Braxton's reading books to her. Hi. Hello, Brooklyn. Hello, my baby girl. Let's see her roll over again. She's mastered it for the past couple of weeks, and now it's really good. Good job, baby girl. Brooklyn. Peekaboo. Hi. Oh, face plant. Okay, we'll flip you again. Whoa. Hi. Here she goes again. Whoop. Are you checking your temperature?
Look, Mom.
Wow. What are you? What numbers is that? Careful for your sister. Alright. Alright, flip over it.
Mom, look.
Woo!
Mom, look.
Hi, honey. Hi, baby. Oh, here she goes again.
Mom, look. Look, Mom.
Oh, good job. Ta-da! That bald spot, though. Say bye.